Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Twitter is still buzzing after Musa was beaten up on the early hours of Sunday morning by Moshe Ndiki at a club after he wrote nasty things about him on Twitter. Musa wrote and said, Moshe Ndiki welcomes his new dog, Sulu Zinyembezi Ndiki. This comes after his husband Phelo Bala left their marital rental apartment. Moshe Ndiki since decided to be a dog daddy. He also can't act, can he? Now, celebrities such as Lerato Kganyago, Dineo Ranaka, Kamomphela, and Anele are happy that Moshe Ndiki actually moved Musa because Musa once blogged nasty things about them, you guys. Anele was body shamed by Musa Kahula, who told her to get on a treadmill when she tagged Musa and thanked him for doing celebrities a big favor by beating Musa up, you guys. And now it seems like Musa has opened up a case of assault against Moshe Ndiki yesterday, you guys, because he shared a message on Twitter which contained a case number which he blurred up, you guys. Musa said on Twitter announcing that he has opened a case against Moshe. This is what he wrote. He said, "You know you can DM me Moshe Ndiki's address, right? So I can give it to this nice officer, right?" He also tweeted this and tagged Moshe Ndiki. He said, "Hi babes, at Moshe Ndiki, see you soon," and also posted the message and the case and number, you guys. Now please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.